Hello guys, today we talk about how you can make your video viral. If you are not famous, your video get just 3, 5 or 10 or 100 views, no more. In this video we tell you that how you can copy the tags of those video which are on trending. In this way your video become in searching in trending and you can become a famous person. For this purpose you download a app and you go on Play Store where you will write tag you. As here I will write tag you. As I write here tag you, I have already downloaded, so I will update just. After this process I will come on the screen of my mobile phone. I am coming on my mobile screen and I am going to YouTube. So here this type of interface will be. I want to check the tag of this video. I will click on 3 dot and again I will click on share. Here I again click on copy link and I click on copy link, and then after I will come back on the screen of mobile phone. I have already downloaded tag you app. Here I will click on tag you app. This type of interface will be open. You will click on get you app and again click on paste. After this you can see here he used just a one tag. I think this is a famous person. In this way you can check of any person who are not famous but they are on trending. You can check the tag of those people. So I want to copy the tag and I have already copied, and I want to set up this tag on my video and I will go on YouTube Studio. For example, I want to set this tag in this video, so I will click here. I have already tagged many, so here this copy and paste. You can paste. My video is other, so I will cannot paste here. Okay, thank you for watching.